Name the base and exponent in this expression. -10 to the second power. So the base is the value that has a exponent attached to it, and the exponent is the superscripted number next to the value. So the exponent here is 2. The base, it's kind of tempting to write -10, but the square is not attached to the negative in any way. You see, a negative is just a simplification for writing -1 times some value. So this square is not attached to the negative in any way. It's only attached to the 10. So in effect, what happens here is the base is just the value 10. So if I use the definition of repeated multiplication to evaluate this out, I have a negative, and then I have the value 10 times the value 10, because this is what 10 squared means. And the result here is -100. And that's very confusing sometimes for students, but you can check this on a calculator and prove it to yourself. So, for instance, if I put it exactly as I see it, -10, and then to do an exponent, you can put the caret key, or if you're squaring, you can actually just hit the square button. Either way is fine. But the only thing that's going to get squared is the 10, and then the negative is applied to the final answer. What students generally think is happening here is that the entire value -10 is getting squared. In order for that to occur, you have to put the base in parentheses so that you're squaring the quantity -10. That's what gives you +100. Make sure you understand this before moving on, because it's a point that can make your answers correct or incorrect, depending on your understanding level.